but another beautiful day, another beautiful day, another beautiful day, another day, another dollar. You feel me? Right now, we was outside. Don't mind me looking rough. I'm supposed to get a haircut right after this, but I gotta get this video in for y'all. Today, I'm gonna be giving my boy a ride in the Supra. He's in the 7-Eleven gas station right now. I'm gonna put gas in. As y'all know from the last video, it is tuned. I think I gave Sean a ride. I didn't get the video of Chico, but it wasn't really too crazy of a pull. But yeah, it wasn't too crazy of a pull for Chico, but Sean, I did give him a ride. Everybody says they feel a difference. I don't feel a difference yet on 93. I feel like I need to go to E40. Like E40, I feel like it's gonna wake it up way much more because E-eater, bro. It's an E-eater. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, so today we're gonna give my boy George a ride, see how he feels. Previously he did have a Q60, so it's probably not gonna feel like nothing to him, but we gonna see. You feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for him to pump this gas, wait for him to come out, and we'll start the video. Oh, there you go right now.
What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? We about to...
All right, so now
see how this looking.
George's finna get his. He's
about
riding the booper, bro.
There's about to be some motion right now. There's about to be some motion.
Oh shit! Wait. Yo. Everybody turn, bro. God damn. Let me see.
This is alright. Alright, bet.
Wait. Yo! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Wait, why is it moving like that, Chris? The GPS can't keep up. The GPS skipping, bro. The GPS can't even keep up. That shit's like skipping. Yo! Why you not on the turnpike, Chris? Why you not on the turnpike? Hey, bro. No cops. Oh, that's right. Oh, shit! Oh shit! Yo! You got it, bro! You got it! Yo! Oh shit! Yo! I know they're like, what the fuck? Yo, what's that? What the? Wait, what the? Why is it out like that? Yo, that shit was sideways.
I ain't gonna lie. Nah, and this is just 93 too. This is crazy. This is crazy for just 93. 93 OTS, this is insane. Yo. Me and the U-Haul like, what the fuck? Yo! I'm like a little kid in this seat, bro. It's like a little dream car up here.
Bro, the Rebels are only on video.
Imagine it's on the highest, like, yo.
Yeah, brother. This is.
You smell that? Yo,
this smells like money. Straight money.
Money and tires, all in one. why it's spinning like that.
I was trying to brake boost it, but fuck. I
Yo,
was trying to brake boost it, but that shit does not let this brake boost.
yo.
Let me try doing it again. Cause that shit was not working.
Hey, YouTube. Hey, man. Hey. Chris got it, bro. Chris
Hey,
got it, bro.
It's only 93. Only 93.
And we not even stopping here. 'Cause I know you gonna keep going.
Gonna keep going. 100%. But I'm probably gonna get some more cosmetic ones though. Before any more power. But fuck it, we ball.
Oh, I hear it. Oh, shit. Oh. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, Chris. What's up?
No.
No?
Chat. He tapped out.
Nah, I ain't even tap out. I can't even find my phone. Yo.
That shit's back there somewhere, bro.
3 hours later.
Fuck, got some torque in it.
Oh my god! Oh, my phone fell! Oh shit!
Yeah, he said my phone fell.
Hey, that
No,
motherfucker got
what
some
the
torque
fuck,
in it.
bro?
Yeah, I thought Chico was gonna, YN mode it, but he was babying him, bro.
It's not my car, bro. It's not my car.
That is true, bro.
Not my car.
We don't know it like
Chris, you
that.
wanna bring your shit?
Oh nah. Nah, mine still stopped.
Well, I mean, so do you want to bring it just in case to see what they're gonna do?
If Chris brings it, I'm driving. I'm in
Yeah,
Chris'
why
passenger
not,
seat.
right?
I want to feel that Supra. If you bring it, that's up to you.
Yeah,
I
why
want to feel
not?
that Supra feels. We gotta put that shit in today, though.
Yeah, bro. It's
Yeah.
26:36. We got enough time.
Can we put it in today, bro?
Yeah, we can.
Sorry,
Why not? I'm
No
not.
homo. That sounded good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pause on that. Pause on that.
Hold on,
Pause
hold
on
on.
that.
Hold on.
Pause
There's
on that.
something missing here. Where the lighting at?
My bad, bro. I got you. Right? Which one is it? Which one is it? Hold on.
Damn, all these remotes.
God damn.
Oh shit! Look at that. And
Oh, so once click of a button, all that shit turned on?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm turned on.
What the fuck?
Yo, what's our maps at, bro?
God.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, damn, bro. Yeah, build this shit, bro.
Yo, nah, not that.
Yo, the back shot.
He said sit back
Yo,
shot.
you feeling like this? Oh,
Dog. Damn.
yo, what the fuck?
I see why y'all. I see y'all. I know why y'all like
You
these.
talking about, bro? That Supra gotta be crazy. That shit.
I know why y'all like these motherfuckers, boy. Hey, Sade. I ain't gonna lie, the shit sounds so crisp.
Is that another one? Or is that a? Wait, hold on.
But that's RT. Ghost. I see you, bro.
That's a little V6.
Oh, it is a V. No. Then he don't want to drop the window, bruh. He don't even want to drop the window, bruh.
Bruh, he got his girl in the car, bro. You know how that go.
Yo. Yo.
He got his girl in the car.
You good, bro? Look at that.
I don't know. There's probably no way that I don't see. I don't.
This shit about to turn into New York.
What
Oh,
the
squeeze
fuck?
tea.
Squeeze Sean. Squeeze Sean.
Squeeze Sean.
Squeeze tea.
Holy fuck, look at all that traffic.
Nah, we gotta maneuver through this shit. We gotta get to this dyno, bruh. I like you want to see these numbers too, bruh.
I wanna see these. You wanna see these numbers? I wanna see these numbers.
Yo. Alright, guys, let's see. Alright, let's see what's our first cut about to be. Come on, hurry the fuck
Nah,
up.
bro, I think after this hoe, you'll probably be able to clear it. Unless there's people. Oh, shit.
Watch out for this Camry.
Fuck
Or
that
whatever.
guy. He better, hey.
Hey.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
They troopers
No,
where?
you good.
Ooh,
That's
what
an
are you coming
ambulance.
for?
Oh, what is it?
Ooh,
Wait, what?
Some
That's
got
the
scared.
ambulance,
That shit
you
switched to
good.
red. What the fuck?
Oh, here it. See, the car was already on
Yeah, that shit
timing.
knew that mode, bruh.
The car was already on timing. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, he ain't doing it. You might as well get off, boy.
Yeah, I ain't got
Yeah, bro, get off.
You might as well get off this shit.
We gonna take fucking federal all the way
This
down.
thing's right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, We got it. Yeah, hell. Oh my, yo, that shit not even moving for. I mean, nah, it's not moving.
I know I'm black, but that's why God damn. Hey, stay in your lane, nigga. I mean, I haven't got no movement violations in a minute. It's just
Really? Not in the Supra, none?
no. It's only exhaust tickets.
Exhaust?
Yeah.
In Florida?
Yeah.
That's
It's
it.
For not for emission though. It's just too loud. Modified exhaust, whatever.
In Florida?
Yep, 316. I remember the price in my head like it's yesterday.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, that would piss me off. 316 just for modified
The
exhaust?
same night I went dumps, I got pulled over, got a ticket.
Oh, that's dick rider, bro. Well, you were driving past or what?
Huh?
You were driving past or what?
No, I was just driving regular on the strip.
She's a lying ass bitch.
This nigga sleep, bro. Chat. Yo, niggas falling asleep behind the wheel.